Did you know the deeper meaning behind Jesus saying he's the Good Shepherd? That it's one of the many subtle times that Jesus is saying he is God. Do you know the Old Testament scriptures that Jesus is referring to? Let's take a brief look. There's a lot more behind Jesus being the Good Shepherd who lays down his life for his sheep. Wonderful though it is to consider his care, provision, guidance, protection, and ultimate sacrifice. To his first century listeners, they would immediately recall the well-known Psalm 23, where David speaks of the Lord being his shepherd, who provides for, restores, and guides him. The prophecy about the Messiah being born in Bethlehem says that he will be the shepherd for God's people Israel. So, Jesus may be hinting at him fulfilling this role. Another passage that would have come to mind for those with a Hebraic perspective is Ezekiel 34, where God speaks against the leaders of Israel, calling them bad shepherds. He then says that he himself will shepherd the sheep, look after them, search for the strays, bind up the injured, and strengthen the weak. So, Jesus' statement that he is the Good Shepherd is a statement of his divinity. But there's more. The Ezekiel passage says that God himself will also judge between sheep and between rams and goats. Jesus builds on this in his parable of the sheep and goats, where he will judge between them. This again is a statement that Jesus is God. Praise him. Please like and subscribe for more Bible nuggets from a Hebraic perspective.